Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So if you ever wanted to make sure that you add more services so you're doing more than just cleaning, absolutely. That's one way that I was able to scale my business to 6 figures and beyond, pow, in a quick period of time. So something you can do are add windows. I love windows. Windows are good money and good business. So how do you charge for window? Well, there's 3 things you can do to charge for windows for commercial. Residential is totally different, but for commercial, you can charge by the hour. You can charge by the window, like one flat amount, or you can charge by square footage. Now, if you charge by the hour, you want to be careful because in commercial, that can really eat up a lot of money and you may not be able to even be profitable. Most times, if you're 3 feet and under, you don't need any additional insurance. I know we did it. And a lot of times we would just do windows. And that was a good, what you want to say, way to make money if we needed to meet payroll or if we needed to make sure that there was something else that we had to do. Windows were great. You can go out to a retail store like right now or this weekend, have your window, have all your window stuff with you, your equipment, and you can actually look at charging right there on the spot. And the majority of the time, they're going to be able to pay you right then. So windows are great for impromptu jobs. If you need some money right now to meet some other obligations, insurance is normally not going to be more if it's under 3 stories. Now, let's say if it's over 3 stories, then it's going to be more unprofessional. And you really want to check that out. You want to look at what is the going rate in your area. Is it a flat rate? You got to look at safety equipment, and you're definitely going to have to change and look at the what your insurance is like. So depending on, I like staying 3 stories and under. That was a great fit for us. And we didn't need anything extra. Like I said, we could go out and do retail, stop by 7-Eleven or whatever kind of Wawa, or whatever kind of convenience stores in your area. Really great. And then you can just pop up. And a lot of times they look up and they see the windows are dirty and you can just clean them. So that's a really great way to make money right now without having to have anything extra other than a squeegee and a bucket. And your insurance should cover that. But definitely check on your insurance. I know for us in Florida, in the state of Florida, it was if it's 3 stories and under, we didn't need any special insurance for cleaning windows. Love it. Check it out. See if you want to charge flat, by the square footage, or by the hour. Definitely a good thing you can do. Now, if you want to know more about attracting, getting to business right now, and getting to those 6 figures and beyond that I talk about so much, then make sure you sign up for my free masterclass where I go into attraction, acquisition, and retention, and so much more. I update it very often because things change often. So until next time, I look forward to seeing you. Make sure you click to register. Space is limited. And until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.